Hi everyone, this is Matthew Ma from Aleddra LED Lighting. We'll start with the good news. This week, U.S. government announced to postpone the tariff increase on LED lamp until December 15, 2019. That's a great news for the industry and our customers. You know how it happened or why it happened? I spent a couple hours tweeting with my friend with great influence. The second day, his tweet came out with the announcement. You know how hard it is. He never read any of my tweets. So never underestimate the tweet that nobody reads. We're very happy to share with you at the 2019 IES annual conference. Aleddra had not one, not two, but 5 products included in the IES 2019 progress report. That makes us, Aleddra LED Lighting, one of the most innovative lighting company this year. And the number 1 item on the IES 2019 progress report list is this product from Aleddra. What is this? This is a PL lamp. We call it PL Convertible. You will see what I meant in a second. This is a traditional CFL PL lamp with pin base. This is our generation 1 PL lamp. You operate with ballast and line voltage. Small one for 13 watt PL lamp replacement. The big one for 26 watt PL lamp replacement. They are well received by the industry, loved by every user, except when you install these LED PL lamp in a high ceiling, sometimes the light doesn't come out as strong on the surface when you depending on the reflector to bring the light forward or downward. So with our new generation 2 PL lamp, the PL Convertible, now all the light is concentrating on the light head. So when you install vertically, the light go way straight down and give you all the light you need. So what happens if you have a socket that is installed horizontally? This is how it works. You put it horizontally and you see that? I'll do it again. This is one of the features of this PL Convertible lamp. Adjustable lighting head. But what if you put it into, again, horizontally installed, but it's not positioned in the center of the recess can? Well, this is what you do. Watch out. Voila! With the extendable arm, now you can position the light head in the center of your recess can or downlight. Make sense? What if you have a socket that is not parallel installed, kind of off by an angle? What do? Check this out. Let me put it in so you can see it better. Let me put it in the, see that? It also has a rotatable base. Adjustable light head, extendable arm, and rotatable base. That's why we call this new invention, our generation 2 PL lamp, PLC, PL Convertible lamp. Accounting 2 wattage, 6 watt, and 9 watt. Somebody would even suggest you to use it as a track light. We have no objection to that. It's under warranty still. One very important thing is it kept the features of dual mode. It can operate with line voltage and ballast. And best yet, we keep the price just at the same as generation 1 PL lamp. It is very hard to maintain the same price with today's climate change. And we don't know what will happen after December 15, 2019. I'll keep on tweeting, but there's no guarantee. If you want to take advantage of the sale price, good price, you may want to buy it before that. PL Convertible lamp. It also comes with very nice color design package. You can stock and shelve it if you are a distributor or reseller. Feel free to check with your local distributors or contact Aleddra for more information and pricing and whatnot. Until next time, see ya.